to be able to create real feedback loop between grassroots and what takes place in the gallery.
And you know, Sasha, as we have been doing the research on this, we came across one statistic that just absolutely blew me away. There is one of the international courts that has a $54 million biannual budget. They only heard 13 cases during the last year. And it's like $54 million. And only being willing to hear that few cases, it just about blew me away, because there is such a need. And of course, there is not another court on this planet right now that is working for the benefit of the people. And that's what we've got to make everybody understand. It's like this court is put together to serve the needs of the people. And that means, you know, the natural, the living person, natural justice, meaning do no harm. You don't have a statute and code violation for a silly little old thing that shouldn't even be a charge. You have to have something that is of earth-shattering consequences here that we're dealing with the media and the very things like that that we're bringing in, and the judges who are corrupt. And so, you know, there's just a lot to this as we're putting all of this together. And I also want to mention one other situation where it proves to anybody that one person concerned enough about a situation can make major changes. And I'm talking about the situation that happened in Lucerne, Pennsylvania, not too many years ago, where one mother lost her daughter to the juvenile justice system. Now, we heard some figures earlier, you know, that we are the worst country in the world, the United States, for the number of people who are in prison. But we have 5 times the number of young people in our prison system than anybody else. And one mother became so alarmed that she went on a mission, and before she was through, it's called Kids for Cash, if you're not familiar with it. 2 judges went down because they had not only put together a juvenile institution, they got such kickbacks from it that they were able to prove this fraud and be able, one of them got sentenced for 17 years and another for 28 years. And it was only because one mother cared enough